Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be trying to tackle the interior of the car. So there's a lot of cleaning to be done, and what I have today is this Turtle Wax upholstery cleaner and protector. So I've shopped online and I found this on Shopee, so I'm not sponsored or anything. I just want to clean my seats, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how effective this is. And so the seats, I see there are some stains on it, and in general a lot needs cleaning, because I don't know whether the previous owner or the previous owner before him has cleaned these seats as thoroughly before. And one more thing I want to tackle is this. So there's one huge ugly stain on the headliner that I want to get rid of. This looks so ugly, so it's either I run with the sunshade open all the way, which gets really hot in the afternoons, or I try and clean this out. So I guess this is the true test of whether this product works or not. And yeah, so the first step is to actually vacuum out the interior of the car. That's the driver's seat done. Instructions say that vacuum any loose dirt, shake hand well and spray evenly on the upholstery. Rub the foam into the upholstery using the brush. So this is the brush that comes along. I actually did not see this in the listing online, but I guess that's very useful. It's detachable, and I guess this is what I'll be using to actually scrub all the dirt or whatever out. And so I spray it on, scrub it, and wipe it off with a cloth after that. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I guess this is the first test of what this actually looks like. Oh, okay. So I guess I'll have to coat this entire thing. And yep, I'll just follow instructions and I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so on first use it doesn't seem to be that effective because all the foam got absorbed, but I don't know if you can see, but it got a little bit browny on the foam in between the bristles. So yeah, there you go. So you can see all like spots like here, they are actually gunky and then they're brown. So I guess the foam is absorbing it, but the problem now is the foam got absorbed into the seat. So how am I going to get it out? That's the thing. So I guess maybe I have to just use a bit more foam, and yeah, I'll just keep going at it. Okay, so this is how dirty the cloth got just after those two sections. So this is where all the dirt goes, and I can't imagine I've been sitting in this for like the past day or so. So yep, this makes me want to clean the entire car out now. I guess that's why detailing services cost so much. So it's either elbow grease or you just pay someone to do it. Let's get on to the rest of the seat. Alright, so I finished one seat, and here are the results. So I mean, this is what the cloth looks after, you know, one whole seat. And I'm not gonna lie, this is back-breaking work. It's very tough, and I am now drenched in sweat, and probably whatever gunk that I've removed from the seat, I'm later going to put in when I sit on it. So I mean, my initial impressions, if you have a power outlet or somewhere get yourself a steamer. I mean, those look way easier in the videos that I see online on YouTube than, you know, doing it yourself. So I guess this is not a one-day job thing. I mean, I'm gonna take my time doing this, and I'm gonna move on to the sunshade thing. So that's where I can see, you know, true results, because these seats are black. I can't see much of the dirt coming out, but we'll see very obvious difference if I do the sunshade. So let's get to it. Okay, moving on to this stain. So the instructions say on the can that for tough stains, allow up to a minute for the foam to dwell on the stained areas before scrubbing. So I'm gonna do that, wait for a minute, and we'll start scrubbing from there. Shit, this goes everywhere. Okay, I think a minute is up. Time to get scrubbing. It's hard to find a comfortable position to do this. Seems like I can't get the foam out. Oh, but it looks like the stain got lesser. Wow, okay. So you can see almost immediately, like after just one pass at it, the stain is like almost gone. So I'll just go through like another 1 or 2 rounds, and wow, I can't believe this, how good this actually turned out. And yeah, I'll continue doing the rest of this sunshade. Okay guys, I think that about sums it up for my sort of cleaning video. In conclusion, I think you gotta be prepared to put in the elbow grease. Other than that, this is actually quite a fantastic product. It managed to clean up that ugly stain up on the roof. Look how it is now. It's like totally gone. So yeah, just a little of elbow grease and a good product. Actually pretty inexpensive, much better than sending your car to a detailer. So overall, I think this is very good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.